Sabi nila matatas ang friendship nyo kapag nag-travel kayo, whether local ba yan or international travel, whether staycation kind of travel or adventurous one. If yung normal or typical travel pa lang natatas na friendship nyo, how much more if nag-hike kayo? Yung adventurous type of hike na talagang mapapagod kayo kasi hours na kayong umaakyat ng bundok, mabibigat yung dala nyo, sobrang init na, ang hirap pa ng trek or route na nadaanan nyo, or gutom na kayo. Pero pagkatapos ng hike nyo at hindi pa kayo na FO, masasabi mong solid talaga yung friendship nyo. Nakailang hike na kami na malapit na kaming ma-FO. Pero happy kami sa friendship namin kasi after all those hiking trails, best friends pa rin kami. For today's vlog, natest na naman po yung friendship namin. Pero don't worry kasi hindi naman ganun ka-intense yung hike and friends pa rin kami. Nagkaroon pa nga ako ng new friends because Abby introduced me to her other hiking buddies. Shout out to Bliss and Blake. For this vlog, we went to Viper's Peak located in Toril, Davao City. 30 minutes lang to from downtown Davao. If you want to have an idea kung anong klaseng trail madadaanan nyo if iha-hike nyo ang Viper's Peak and how much magagastos nyo, then watch this vlog to know our experience. From downtown Davao, we rode a Toril jeep and paid 35 pesos each. Pagbaba namin dito na intersection, naglakad kami para mag-breakfast saglit sa convenience store while waiting for others. Dito na intersection, maraming mga tricycle drivers magtatanong kung saang peak kayo mag-hike and they will offer tricycle ride services papunta dun sa drop-off point. 50 pesos lang yung bayad namin sa tricycle driver. If may dala kayong car, pwede nyong i-park alongside the road sa Banud Overview Coffee Shop. Dito rin ang starting point ng hike. From here, we started hiking and it took us at least an hour and 30 minutes to the peak. Abby and my hiking buddies have already been here. I think second or third hike na nila to sa Viper's Peak. And this is the place where they call Grassland. When we arrived here, nag-rest muna kami and had a get-to-know session. I became friends with Bliss and Blake and they shared some of their funny hiking stories.
Nawala man ko sa nasilong po dyan. Sir! Sabi ka, sir!
Ikaw muna, Jay.
Talikod siya. Tanawan na mo, naka-red vest, no eh.
Gani. Target. Pinas basta. Ayaw dagan, B! Ayaw dagan! Taas ba yung ang tali niya?
To hike Viper's Peak, make sure you apply sunscreen kasi sobrang init. You can also wear long sleeves or jacket, but we prefer not wearing them kasi nakaka-suffocate for us. I only wear my jacket kapag masyado ng grassy or malamok na yung trail. After Grassland, may narrow trail kayong madadaanan and masasabi mong nasa gubat ka na talaga. Don't worry about getting lost kasi may signs naman to the peak and you can actually hire a guide na sasama sa inyo all throughout your hike. And if first-timers kayo, I suggest na kumuha kayo ng guide. But since alam na ng mga kasama ko yung trail, hindi na kami kumuha ng guide. Simula dito sa mini boulders sa na area, I think nag-iba na yung trail namin from the previous trails that others have gone through or medyo na-lost kami or unsure kung saan dadaan kasi kinlosan ng mga locals yung trail na nadaanan ng mga kasama ko before. But the locals guided us naman kung saan dadaan pabalik dun sa usual trail. Dito na part sa height namin, sobrang init na and sobrang pagod na kami. Pero sa totoo lang, 5 minutes na lang nasa peak na kami. And after an hour and 30 minutes, nakarating na rin kami sa Viper's Peak.
Ayaw ko.
Kita na natas banod ha, kumahulog.
Imagine guys, dyan kami galing. Dyan yung part na kung saan nag-get to know session kami na Bliss and Blake. Ang layo na narating namin. We stayed here sa peak for at least an hour for brunch. May store sila na tinatawag nilang Starbucks. And dito kayo pwede magpaluto ng food like pancit canton, egg, canned goods, and I think they also have rice here. And please, please, please practice Claygo. Huwag maging tamak, basura mo, itapon mo. Dito sa peak, may mga locals na lalapit sa inyo and magtatanong kung gusto nyo bang pumunta sa waterfalls. There, you can have a dip and freshen up. And may 3 waterfalls na pwedeng puntahan. If isa lang yung waterfalls na pupuntahan nyo, 50 pesos lang yung bayad sa mga guide. And then, if yung 3 ang gusto nyong puntahan, 100 pesos each. You can choose to visit 1 waterfall or 3 waterfalls. Or if nakapark kayo sa Banod Overview, babalikan yung trail na dinaanan nyo pababa. Since andito naman kami and wala kaming dalang sasakyan, sinulit na namin yung hike and pinuntahan namin yung 3 waterfalls. Nag-traverse kami and nag-hire kami ng guide. And things have become interesting and quite intense. Yung trail na dinaanan namin parang naging rock climbing-ish and nabasa kami sa sapa. So if you're going to try the traverse, make sure you wear hiking shoes or sandals na pwedeng mabasa. Kami ni Abby nagsandugo hiking sandals kami kaya walang problema sa amin if mabasa yung shoes namin. But for the others na wala na orient na magsapa-sapa pala, naka-closed shoes lang sila. Dito rin na part sa trail namin, I started wearing my jacket or t-shirt kasi medyo malamok na. If you don't want to bring jacket, make sure you apply off lotion. Worth it ba yung 3 waterfalls? The first waterfall, not really. Dinaanan lang namin siya. But for the second one is kinda worth it. Medyo maraming tao lang nakatambay kaya hindi kami naligo doon. Medyo na-shy kami. But the third waterfall, worth it. Kasi kami lang yung tao doon. Patago pa kasi yung third waterfall and need pa ng extra 15 minutes na hike. Kagubat-gubatan na talaga siya kaya need ng guide. And dito sa third na waterfall, hindi na ako nakapag-video kasi sobrang pagod na ako. And medyo mahirap na yung trail kaya need ng both hands ko. And this is the third waterfall. Actually, parang hindi na siya waterfall eh. After the waterfalls trip, we headed back home and kumuha na kami ng tricycle na dadalhin na kami hanggang highway for only 70 pesos each. So we didn't really hike back, nag-tricycle na lang kami. Total na nagastos ko for Viper's Peak. I hope this vlog is quite helpful and leave a comment kung ano yung Viper's Peak experience nyo. See you on the next vlog. Bye!